Hello children, today we are going to learn about mole concept. What is mole concept? Before going to this, first I will explain one small reaction, that is hydrogen H2 when it reacts with oxygen O2 together forms water, that is H2O. Yes, in order to balance the equation, here we need to write 2H2O. As we are balancing oxygen to hydrogen got changed, so you need to balance hydrogen also. That is, so the final equation is 2H2 plus O2 gives rise to 2H2O. Now, just you look at the quantities. What is H2? H2 is a molecule. O2 is also a molecule. H2O is also a molecule. Now, what is the quantity of these molecules in this equation? 2 molecules of hydrogen when it reacts with 1 molecule of oxygen gives rise to 2 molecules of water. 2 molecules of water, that is 2H2O. If we want to express in terms of exact mass, 2H2. 2 is number of molecules, and what is the mass of hydrogen? Hydrogen atomic mass is 1, but how many are in number? 2. So, the molecular mass of hydrogen is 2 into 1 is 2, but how many are in number? 2. So, the total mass of 2 molecules of hydrogen is 4U. What is U here? U is unified mass. Similarly, oxygen, that is O2. What is the molecular mass of oxygen? Oxygen molecular mass is 16, oxygen atom, but the molecule of oxygen O2, how many are in number? 2 are in number. So 2 into 16, that is 32U. Now, water. How many water molecules are there? 2. Now, what is the molecular mass of water? That is H2O. 2 hydrogens. 2 into the molecular atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Now, which is equals to 2 into 1 is 2 plus 16, that is 2 into 18, that is which is 36U. Now come to the end. Now 4U, 4 unified mass of hydrogen when it combines with 32 unified mass of oxygens to give 36 unified mass of water molecule. So, anything if you want to express in terms of quantity, a new word introduced by Wilhelm Oswald in the year 1896 by the word mole. By the word mole. What is a mole? Mole is nothing but the quantity of a substance which expressed, that is given by the name mole, which was introduced by the scientist Wilhelm Oswald in the year 1896. But the exact value of mole given by Italian scientist Amedeo Avogadro Emilio Avogadro is 6.022 into 10 power 23. The value of mole is given by Emilio Avogadro and its value is 6.022 into 10 power 23. The word mole introduced by Wilhelm Oswald, but the value of the mole given by Emilio Avogadro and its value is 6.022 into 10 power 23, and it is symbolized by NA, capital N and capital A to be write as subscript of L. This is symbol for Emilio Avogadro. Yes. Now, what is mole? Mole is nothing but simply it is a number. Mole is a number. If you want to express any substance in terms of quantity, the word mole is used. Now, this mole is known to be a unit. It is known to be a unit. We are using the unit mole for representing quantity of any substance. Now we will learn mole concept in terms of number. What we are learning? Mole in terms number. Mole in terms number means 1 mole of any substance. 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 in number. Now, 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen atoms is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen atoms. Once again, 1 mole of hydrogen atoms equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen atoms. Next, 1 mole of hydrogen molecules. 1 mole of hydrogen molecules equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen molecules. Now, 1 mole of potassium ions equal to Avogadro number of potassium ions. What is meant by Avogadro number of potassium ions? Which is nothing but again 6.022 into 10 power 23 potassium ions. Now, how 1 pair equal to 2 in number, 1 dozen equal to 12 in number, 1 gross equal to 144 in number, 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 in number. Just it is a number. That's why 1 mole of any substance equal to Avogadro number. Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Now, 1 mole of hydrogen atoms equal to Avogadro number of hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen molecules equal to Avogadro number of hydrogen molecules. 1 mole of potassium ions equal to Avogadro number of potassium ions. Like that, anything, 1 mole of atoms, 1 mole of molecules, whatever it may be, Avogadro number of atoms and molecules. This is what mole in terms of number. Now, we will learn mole in terms of volume. Mole in terms of volume. Okay, once again just recapitulate what is Avogadro number. Avogadro number, and it is represented by the symbol Na, whose value is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Now, what is meant by mole of any substance in terms of volume? If you consider any 1 gram volume, 1 gram volume of any gas at STP conditions. What is meant by STP conditions? Standard temperature and pressure. STP conditions. What is standard temperature? Standard temperature is 273 Kelvin and standard pressure is 76 centimeters of mercury. Any gram volume of gas at STP conditions occupies 22.4 liters. Occupies 22.4 liters. That is, for example, if you see 1 gram of hydrogen gas, 1 gram of hydrogen gas occupies how much volume under STP conditions? 22.4 liters. Now, 1 gram of chlorine gas, if you take chlorine gas, how much volume it occupies at STP conditions, under STP conditions? 22.4 liters. Like this, any gas, 1 gram volume of any gas at STP conditions occupies 22.4 liters. This is known as gram volume or molecular gram volume. Gram volume or molecular gram volume, that is GMV, and its value is 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters. This is called mole, expression of mole in terms of volume. Now, mole in terms of mass. How to express the mass of any substance, gram mass of any substance, a mole mass of any substance is 1 gram mole of 1 gram mole in terms of mass expressed in grams. Expressed in grams. We know very well that mass is expressed in grams. Similarly, 1 mole of any substance, if you want to express in grams, we need to express in terms of grams. For example, if you see the atomic mass of sodium, you take sodium, atomic mass of sodium is equal to 23 U. Okay, now 1 gram atomic mass, 1 gram atomic mass or 1 mole atomic mass of sodium equal to 23 grams. See, the number is same, but In general, atomic mass of sodium is 23 U. What is U here? U is a unified mass and it is a unit of atomic mass of any element. If you want to express mass of any substance, the 1 mole of mass of any substance, then its value remains same, just you replace U by G. We will see one more example. Atomic mass of aluminium. If you take atomic mass of aluminium is, what is atomic number of aluminium? Its atomic mass is 27 U. Now 1 mole atomic mass, 1 mole atomic mass of aluminium is 27 G. If you represented the mass of a given substance in G, that is in grams, which is nothing but gram molecular mass. If it is of molecule, if it is of atom, then it is gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. So here, what is aluminium? Aluminium is an atom. So what is mass of 1 mole of aluminium? Mass of 1 mole of aluminium atom is 27 grams. The atomic mass of aluminium is 27 U. The 1 mole of atomic mass of aluminium is 27 grams. Now we will look into the molecular mass and gram molecular mass. Molecular mass of water, that is H2O, is 18 U. Now 1 mole molecular mass of water, that is H2O, is 18 G. So like that, if you want to express atomic mass of any element, express in terms of U. If you want to express molecular mass of any molecule, express in terms of U. But if you want to express 1 mole of atomic mass of any element, it should be in terms of gram. And similarly, if you want to express 1 mole of molecular mass of any molecule, it should be expressed in terms of G. This is known as gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. This concept is known as expression of mole in terms of mass. I hope you understood about the mole concept. Thank you.